Hello and welcome. So in this mini project, we will create a CRUD application using Laravel Livewire. So let's take a look at the mini project. So here we have the form, so we can add the tasks. So now we don't have any tasks. So let's add, this is the first task. So let's click submit. So once submitted, so here we have our task. So now we can update it. So as you can see here, we can update it or we can go back. So let's update the task. So task updated. So hit submit and now it's updated. Also we can make the task done using this button. So once done, so as you can see, we have a line through the task, and also we can remove task. So this is the project that we are going to create. So first we need to create a new Laravel 11 projects. I have already done this step. And next we need to create the model and the migration. So the model, we will have only one model for task, and also we will add the migration for this model. Okay, so let's start and create the model, and also we need the migration. So hit enter. So once done, let's move to the database. Here we have the migration for tasks, and let's add here the fields that we need. So we have the body. So the body will be a long text. So let's add here the body, and also we have done, which is boolean, and let's add here done, and the default for done will be 0, default value. Okay, so each task created will be not done by default. Okay, and that's all for our tasks migration. Okay, so let's move and migrate the table that we have created. So PHP artisan migrate. So hit enter. So let's create the database and seed or migrate or run the migrations. So now we have all the tables and we are done with the migrations. So let's move to the model. So here inside the model, we need to add the field label array to avoid mass assignment error. So protected field label. And here we need, as we have seen, we need the body, and done. So here we have only 2 fields. Okay. So before we move to the next, let's add the Laravel Livewire to our application. So once you are in the website, so just check quick start, and here we have the command. So we need to run this command to add the Livewire to our application. So let's run it. So once done, let's move to the next. So the next we need to create the main layout, and to create the main layout we need to run this command. So let's do it now. So now we have created the layout. So let's move to the layout. So here is inside the resource views. So we have here the components, and we have app.blade.layout. So for the welcome page, we don't need it. Let's remove it, and we keep only the app.blade.layout. So here we have the title. Let's change the title here to, let's use task CRUD app. And we need also to add the Bootstrap to our, so we'll use Bootstrap for styling. So let's add the Bootstrap. So you can bring from here the link to CSS. So let's use it here. And also, so let's check what we have here. So I think we have something. Let's check here. So we are copying also the header. So let's just remove the header from here. Okay. So let's add also the JS file. So where is it? So the JS file. So it's here. This one. So we need not this one, but we need this one. So only this one. So let's copy and use it here. And also we need the font awesome for adding icons. As you can see here, we are using icons. So let's get the font awesome. So just head to this website, and once you are here, so copy the first link that you have here and paste it here. Okay. So here we have so this is the link for the font awesome. Okay. So now we are done with the app.blade.php. So next we need to create the component, which is the task component, and start adding. So first we need to add the form, and later we will add the function or the functions. So we can add a task to our database. So let's start and create the component.